Please lie down comfortably or sit with your back straight. Close your eyes. Remember the higher power to guide you through this process. Focus your attention to your breathing. Take a deep inhale and exhale very slowly. Once again, take a deep inhale and while exhaling, let go of everything unwanted. One more time. Take a deep inhale and exhale very slowly. With every breath you're taking, you're becoming more and more relaxed. Your mind and body are becoming relaxed. Relax your head. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your chest. Feel the relaxation in your stomach and your back. Now relax your hands and relax your legs. Your entire body is relaxed now. Feel the calmness in your body and in your mind. Now I'll count from 5 to 1, and with every count, you're going more and more deep inside. 5, 4, go deeper. 3, become more still. 2 and 1. Now you are at the deepest level of your mind. This is the state where all your desires come true. So now, with your closed eyes, I want all of you to imagine a vast ocean. See yourself standing on the beach. You are facing the ocean. You are seeing the waves and you are feeling the breeze. Feel the sunlight on your face. Towards your back, there is a huge skyscraper, a multi-story building, white in color. So turn back and see that building. This building has got 60 floors, and in this building you have a penthouse on the topmost floor. So right now you're standing on that beach and you're looking at that building, and you're very grateful to the divine for giving you such a beautiful house facing the ocean. On the 59th and 60th floor is your penthouse. So you start walking towards your home. The building has come near. See yourself entering the lobby of that building. See how beautiful it is. Just see the ambience. Now you are taking the elevator to the 59th floor. Yes, you have reached the 59th floor. So come out. You have keys in your hand. Feel the sensation on your hand. You're holding the keys, the keychain, and now you are walking towards the door of your house and you're opening the door. Listen to the sound of that door. Open the door and enter your house and just feel the sensation. How are you feeling on entering this beautiful house? There's a large hall and few rooms, and there is a staircase from the hall leading you upward to your own bedroom. So now you are climbing the stairs and going up to your penthouse bedroom. Go up. There is a big sit out area with a television, with sofa set, and then there are few bedrooms. On the right side is the master bedroom where you stay. So go to your bedroom. This is a large bedroom. Go inside. It has got beautiful furniture, and there it's having a sliding glass which you are opening now, and there's a huge terrace facing the ocean. So open that sliding glass and enter the terrace, and just stand there on the terrace and observe the vast ocean. Just by observing this vast ocean, you are realizing that there is so much abundance in this world for you as well as for everyone. Keep looking at the ocean and feel the abundance in your life. And now there is one carpet sort of a thing kept on the terrace, which you are using it as your mat for meditation. So spread that mat and sit down on that terrace for meditation. You're closing your eyes and you have started to meditate on your terrace of your dream house. During your meditation, you have suddenly observed that something currency like thing is falling on you. So you are opening your eyes to see what is it, and you are surprised to see currency falling on you like a rain. A rainfall of currency has started. You are sitting on your terrace and currencies have started falling on you. You feel the sensation, feel how it is feeling when this currency is falling on you. Feel the touch of that paper on your body. How nice it is feeling. So many currencies you have never thought of. You can see 2000 rupees notes, you can see 500 rupees notes, you can see dollars, you can see yen, you can see pounds, you can see euros, all currencies of the world, they are falling, continuously falling, and the flow is increasing. Feel this currency rain and feel your emotion. You are in total gratitude. You are loving this moment. And now your entire terrace is filled up with money. It is filled up with currency notes. You are immersed in currency notes. These notes are till your chest level. You are totally immersed in currency notes. You love this rainfall of currency. And still the flow is increasing. So you're telling the divine to stop the rain as of now. And now you're getting up. Just see when you get up how the currency falls from your body. And now you have to go to the bedroom, but there is no way to go. So you are making a way for yourself with your hands. So just feel the sound of the notes when you are moving the notes aside to make a way for you to move. Feel the sensation. You are moving the notes with both the hands and making way for you to go. You are walking towards the sliding glass. You are entering your bedroom. And from the sitting area, you're bringing huge baskets which were lying there to carry this currency note from the terrace to your room. So you're coming back to the terrace with those baskets, filling the currency notes in it and bringing it to your bedroom. You are doing this so many times. See how many baskets are full by now. And still there are currencies lying on the terrace. Now the baskets are over, so you have to fill this currency in your bags, in your traveling bags. Feel yourself putting all the currency in those bags, in those baskets, and you're bringing all the currency to your bedroom. Now your bedroom is completely filled up with baskets and bags. Hardly there is any place to move. There is so much currency. And now you have to stack the currency in your cupboard. So you are opening the cupboard doors and you're organizing each of the currency. You are organizing 2000 notes separately, you're organizing the dollars separately, you're organizing euros and francs into a separate shelf, and you're stacking everything in the cupboard properly. So now you see your entire cupboard filled up with currency notes. On each shelf there is a different kind of note. See how organized it is. See bundles and bundles of cash. This cupboard is full with currency notes. And you are feeling so rich. And now you know you have more than enough money for your entire life. So now all the money is stacked in that cupboard. So you are closing the door of the cupboard. You lock the cupboard and the keys of this cupboard is always with you. So now you know that whenever you need money, you just have to come to your bedroom, open this cupboard and take a bundle. How much ever you need. You have all the money, more than enough money. So you're very happy With this feeling, you lock the cupboard and you come out of the bedroom, climb down in your house, and be in gratitude for this special moment, and slowly come back. I will count from 1 to 5, and you will come back to this body, to this room with every count. 1, 2, feel the sensation of your body. 3, feel the temperature in your room. 4, listen to the sounds in the room. And 5, you are back. Move your fingers slowly, rub your palms, and place it on your eyes. And whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes. Be in gratitude for this wonderful rainfall of money. Thank you, thank you, thank you.